Fewer homes available, more homes went under contract this past week than in prior weeks. It's Friday, January 27th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. And you'll notice that I have a little bit of a froggy voice. I am still battling a sickness that I just can't seem to shake. So bear with me. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Activity in all counties is slow or limited, though contracts have risen. Interest rates fell to November rates of 6.15%. And this week, available homes fell again to 1,087 homes for sale. While only 70 homes came on the market since last report, 46 homes are coming soon. Fewer this week than last week. 75 went under contract, up from last week. 76 properties went to pending, which is up again. 104 properties sold with a median sales price of $379,950 in just 25 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Easton for $2,600,000. Rentals fell to 87 available at $1,795 per month, staying on the market longer at 39 days. Is there a move in your plans for 2023? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 27th, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.